to our destination, and we gotta get up on top of that guy right there. Run a ridge about 1.5 miles, and we'll be to camp. We're gonna camp up here all weekend. Pretty excited. Hopefully we can find out a bear. Beautiful country. We've never been up here before, so don't really know what we're getting into, but we'll see what happens.
Let them try and lock up the beast inside. I'm gonna break the chains and let them testify. Yeah. Never thought I'd brush the ashes off, no. To spare your mercy, it's a heavy cause. Yeah.
Well, we made it to camp. Wasn't exactly where we wanted to be. We wanted to be up there. But Pops is tired, I was tired, so kind of kicked out some deer beds here and got camp set up for the night, and gonna make some dinner. Get a good night's sleep, I can promise you that. Wake up and try to get up on that ridge tomorrow, so I'm excited. This is absolutely gorgeous country. So here we go. Well, it's about noon on Saturday. We're hiking back out. Wasn't exactly what we thought, but still beautiful country up here. Be pretty dang hard to find a bear in here and pack it out, so we're gonna head back to the truck, drive up the road, probably car camp tonight, and try to find some bears.
I was born on a stormy night, thunder in my bones, lightning in my eyes, but I never really ever truly felt alive. No, I was a goner, destined to wander, couldn't hear nothing in my chest, just the ghost of me laid my heart to rest. Turns out nothing in this world could keep me from death. I looked high and low, trying to save my soul. I should have known from the start, you only wanted my heart.
Well, nothing tonight. We got a nice camp set up. It's super early and we're going to bed because we're tired. So we'll wake up tomorrow and maybe we see something on the way out, but other than that, it's been fun. It's been really fun. So gonna get the fire going and hopefully sleep good tonight. So good night. Good morning, everybody. It is Sunday morning and we are headed out of here, so just kind of enjoying the fire right now. And this weekend was about just checking out new spots with my dad, and I don't know, it was fun. No regrets here. We got to see some new country, and I think we'll be back because it is gorgeous up here. Absolutely poured down rain last night, and we had the stove going all night, and it was awesome. So this trip was all about adventure and checking out new spots, just hanging out with my pops. So it was an awesome weekend. I know my dad had fun too, and still got a whole month left of bear season. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.